welcome. Myself Ruhi. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, healthy and safe. Yes, it is important to be safe. At present, we are passing through a strange time. The COVID-19 pandemic is upending life on a global level. It has changed our life. In this COVID-19 crisis, many families have been affected, many have lost their lives, their family members and also children. They don't have food to eat. They lost their jobs due to lockdown.
Laborers have been forced to walk on foot to their homes. In several instances, they've also been stopped by.
अब खाने के लिए भी पैसे नहीं है और पॉकेट में 100-200 रुपए पड़े हुए हैं. अभी कैसे गांव पहुंचेंगे ये भी मुश्किल की बात है.
Hello everyone, myself Ojaswini. While on one hand people across India and around the globe are largely confined to their homes, on the other hand doctors, healthcare workers, police, delivery person, sweepers, vegetable fruit vendors, etc. are leading the battle against COVID-19 from front, putting their own lives at risk with selfless determination for the sake of saving lives of people. They are truly our heroes in this challenging time. While they are putting their lives at risk, the least you can do is to appreciate their efforts and cooperate them by staying safe indoors and following all the safety rules regarding COVID-19. On behalf of this entire nation, we want to thank all the Corona warriors and we want to pay tribute to them through our theme presentation.
The COVID-19 has worsened the condition of migrants and the laborers. They had to deal with loss of income, food shortages and uncertainty about their future.
This laborer has the symptoms of COVID.
Oh God, where are you? Please help me. Please show me the right path to overcome this difficulty. Please God.
है सुना ये पूरी धरती तू चलाता है, मेरी भी सुन ले अरज मुझे घर बुलाता है. भगवान है कहाँ रे तू, है खुदा है कहाँ रे तू, है सुना तू भटके मन को राह दिखाता है. मैं भी खोया हूँ मुझे घर बुलाता है. भगवान है कहाँ रे तू.
Please God. Please.
Don't frighten this much. This is just a small problem that we have to face and fight against it with courage. God has already sent so many superheroes in form of Corona warriors caused for your help and to overcome this pandemic.
God had sent the Corona warriors for his help. He is totally tired and cannot walk further. During the COVID-19, sanitation workers are continuously serving to the people.
Please send ambulance quickly.
The Indian Police, as a frontline agency, is striving at multiple levels of service delivery, living up to an ever-expanding list of job roles as the health-related crisis due to COVID-19 spread across the country.
Okay, it will reach soon.
The patient is in the hospital.
Doctor called the desk that patient is COVID positive.
Doctors, by using their skills, knowledge, experience, they are trying and struggling to save this man. They are not thinking who is he, from which place, which religion, nothing. Simply they are trying their best to save his life.
Doctor,
Doctor? Doctor? I am feeling better now. Thank you for your help and support. I can see God in you.
सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सा चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू.
We should express our gratitude uniquely towards the frontline workers like doctors, nurses, police officers and other many corona warriors. They are working day and night and risking their own lives in attempt to save us all. Their works prove us that good wins over evil after all. But at some places they receive opposition, ill treatment, and there are even news about throwing stones at them and beating doctors. These things should be stopped. I think we can come over this pandemic if we work together and fight with collectivity. Thank you.
सबसे बड़ी मुझे दोस्तों का दौड़ने को जीत खड़ी मुझे कब से इंतजार का आज की शाम का अब देखो क्या करता है ये बंदा हिंदुस्तान का जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रैवल और बेस का चलूंगे आई चाल मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का.